guys, good morning. I'm in my, well, y'all, I haven't been to Starbucks in a minute. I'm in the Starbucks line because your girl is ready for all of the holiday drinks, okay? I love my peppermint mochas. That's like my favorite drink of the season. So I usually, y'all know I'm a Dunkin' Donut girl. Let's just be for real, I'm a Dunkin' Donut girl. But they don't have the holiday drinks out yet. And then at the same time, like, I don't know, Dunkin' Donuts hot drinks don't really give me life like their ice drinks. So anyway, I'm about to get me well, the new thing I've tried, I'm getting a vanilla cream hot chocolate with 3 pumps of white chocolate and two pumps of vanilla and 1 peppermint. All I need is 1 peppermint dose. And it's so good. Like, it is so good. Oh, and almond milk, because you know we can't be we gotta watch out for the inside, so we gotta keep it with the almond milk. But I am in love with the taste of it, y'all. And then I just have some errands to run. I'm preparing for Christmas now and move all the Christmas stuff in. So baby, we gotta get Christmas up. I need to go in the attic and take the Christmas tree out. And I think we're supposed to be trying to like make s'mores tonight. So excited. I love the season.
Starbucks, this one's started for you. Vanilla cream. What size do you want?
Let me do a tall.
It's me 366.
Thank you. And then y'all, hot chocolate is like one of the more reasonable drinks I'm noticing at Starbucks, because when I get the actual white chocolate coffee, it's like $6. I don't need all that. I like it for the taste, so I'm gonna stick with the hot chocolate and get 2 drinks for the price of 1.
Alright, here you go.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep, have a good one.
You too.
Alright.
Alright, y'all. I gotta go inside because they didn't give me no sleeve or no stirrer, and it's hot. Like, hello. And I'm not gonna bug them. I'm just gonna go get it myself. So, a turkey and a mistletoe. Oh, y'all ain't playing all the Christmas music in Starbucks. It was playing all the Christmas music in Starbucks. The Christmas vibes are vibing, okay? Got my sleeve. Oh, this is so good. All right, so now I'm gonna have to go to Michael's and see if they still have these. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, so I'm feeling very traditional this year. I know I'm gonna do like a red tree. I feel like I want to do red with the ivories and you know, silver and gold. I think I want to do traditional. I don't think I've done a traditional tree in years. It's been a long time, so I want to go traditional this year. So I'm gonna go and see if they have those red suede, are they suede? No, red velvet ornaments at Michael's that I saw before they're all gone. I only want 2 packs. And you know what's crazy is that when me and Babe were putting up the Christmas, taking out the fall decorations and putting up spring, I told him, I was like, oh, you can just put the red bin at the very bottom in the attic, like on the bottom of everything else, because I'm like, we're not going to use that no time soon. And then here I go wanting red, so now we got to go to get the red bin out of the bottom of the attic. The very bottom. So anyway, yeah. So these are the ornaments right here. Aren't they so pretty? Like super bright red, right? But then they also have these, which are, oh my gosh, these are wine, and they're so pretty. So let me show you something. Like, wine with this green would be so pretty. I'm not about to, like, I don't want to rebuy a whole bunch of new Christmas stuff, so the wine and the green is really pretty, but I already have red, so we're just gonna stick with red. Now these are $11.99. I thought they'd be cheaper, but I'm gonna get a pack and just put these like on the front. I'm scared if I should get 1 or 2, because I know if I try to come back they may not have any more. I saw these and decided that I'm still gonna do a brown tree, but in the front room, so I'm gonna do a traditional red tree. And then the tree in the front room is still gonna be like cocoa brown and chocolate, because that is the theme that's already in there. Because I still love this. Isn't it so pretty? For s'mores, I like solid milk chocolate. So we have Hershey. Alright, y'all. So we decided to come outside and make s'mores tonight. I did a little s'mores charcuterie, just a little small one for just, since it's just the two of us, you know. And then we gotta wait on the fire to light. You need some more paper. Ain't nothing on the paper. Oh. Alright. There it is. This is the cookies and cream one. What you think? You like it?
Overrated.
But you ain't feeling it. This is the cookies and cream one, y'all. Heavy. Hey Alexa, volume 3. Hey Alexa, play the Christmas song by Tony Braxton.
The Christmas song and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Alright guys, the Christmas tree is up and I am so in love. I'm so excited. I am so excited for the season. So I'm gonna go ahead on and look at my inventory to see like how much red I have, because you guys know I'm doing a pop of red and I don't really do that often, so I don't know how much stuff I actually have. So I'm gonna go through, look at that, and then I can go out to the stores today because I'm actually off today. So I can get a lot done. My main focus is going to be this room today. I still have to put the other tree up in that room over there, but that's probably going to be in another video because I don't know if that's something that I want to do today. But I definitely want to tackle this area and just make it all festive and pretty. So I found this beautiful velvet hunter green ribbon at Hobby Lobby and decided to add these little bows throughout my tree because I did want to incorporate some dark green in it. You can't really see it from afar, but it's gorgeous in person. Try to finish this tree. I'm gonna put this big red bow that I got from Michael's earlier today on it. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. Ooh. I guess it should go like right here. Oh. What that look like? I can't see. Y'all can see better than me. Oh. Does it look fine? Is it crooked? I need to take the tags off the stockings so that I can start adding stocking stuffers inside those. I'm gonna bring my boxes from downstairs to put under the tree and then vacuum this floor. So initially I was trying to incorporate a Ralph Lauren theme and I had the plaid, and so I'm going back and forth if I should use my original tree skirt and then add maybe the plaid around somewhere in front of it, but I really do still want to incorporate it. And then the green and white checkered ornaments that I found at the at-home store, I feel like would complement the plaid really well. So we're gonna get it together. I'm about to put this red ribbon around all my boxes and then put them under the tree. Oh my gosh, last year when I did chocolate,
it's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas.